Hi, to enable and disable light mode on your Xiaomi 13, we will need to go in the phone settings first, and from here select home screen tab. After that, go in the home screen, and now you can see there's three options: classic version with app drawer and light mode. So if you want to enable light mode, just tap on it, and you can see that it got us bigger UI elements, more accessible calling, and enhanced security. So now let's check how it will look. And this is your light mode. So all of the apps you can find right on your home page, and just go in your folders, then swipe up or down to check every app you have. Now, disabling this mode might be a little bit confusing at once because now this home screen tab just disappeared. And to disable it, we will need to take a look at this upper panel. Here we can see that this mode is on, and we need to tap it to turn it off. I'm gonna select to turn off light mode, and now this is our home page. We can check the settings, and now we got home screen tab. So that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching.